Alright guys, so I have been receiving some messages from people asking me how to basically install this wrist pin lockers or wrist pin retainers that comes with the wiseco piston kit, like this, the ones that goes in Sparrow. Let me open one of these so you guys see. I mean, you're having problems with these, you already know which ones I'm talking about. And how to install them in the piston, it's pretty much easy once you get to figure it out. Well, this is, look at them, they're not the regular retainers or lockers that you just place one and then just push the other end. These are like they go in circular spiral, as you can see, and it's a little bit of hustle when you're just putting them for the first time, but once you get to know how to put them, it's pretty much easy. There's a kind of locks that has only one turn, and it's very simple, using some pliers. You go just like this, you place some pressure on your pliers, you push them in, and once they are in, you just use you can use basically the same pin from the other side and just push it through there in order to get to the flange right there. But with these ones that are two turns, it's a little bit more complicated because they are, like, harder. So just you just go ahead and do whatever the instruction says. Instruction says open it up with your fingers like this. Put your finger from inside and leave it like this, open, and you get your piston. You place your first end from the lock inside the little flange right there, and make sure it locks right there. It's just it's easy, just a little bit. There you go. Then you grab your, basically a screwdriver, just a thin screwdriver, and you start to push the rest of your lock in the piston in the pinhole, and that's it. You go in spiral ways, or wise, I don't know how to say it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little bit of hustle, but just to take some few minutes. It's not that really hard. Once you get to put basically half of the lock into the little flange right there, comes more easier. And basically you're done. Well, it took like a minute and a half or 2 minutes, a minute or two, and that's it. And same thing for the other side. You place your lubricant in your pin, you place the pin, you put some more oil or whatever you guys use to lubricate the pin, the rod. Then you place your rod, slide in the pin, and do the same thing with the other side. Let me check it out. Here it is. So it's pretty much easy once you get to figure it out. Do the same thing, open it up with your fingers, put your filament from the inside, lock it in the little flange right there inside. Sometimes it takes a little bit more, sometimes it's easier, faster, but that's the way to put it in. Once it's locked right there, you make sure it's locked from the inside right here, and continue pushing the rest of the lock into the flange right there, and like this, look. Oh my god. There you go. Basically the hardest part is the first half turn. Once the first half turn it's in, everything else is, the rest is pretty much easy.